Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and are enjoying our online sessions. So now let's quickly start with our today's session.
Today we are going to start with lesson number 6, the mongoose and the leopard. Okay kids, I hope you all know mongoose and leopard are wild animals. Now where do we see them? Come on, guess. Yes, we see them either in zoo or in forest. Isn't it, children? Yes. Okay. Do you all know? Leopard is one of the fastest animals on earth and a skilled hunter. So now we are going to read a story about a leopard and a mongoose. So let's start. One evening, all the animals in the forest decide to meet. While watching the sunset, they ponder. Now here there is a new word, ponder. Let's check the meaning. Ponder means to think about something very carefully. So let's check what they all were thinking about. Let's read ahead. Where does the sun go? Asks the deer. Pointing to a faraway hill, the deer says, it seems as if it goes behind that hill and sleeps there. Okay, so they all were thinking about where does the sun go. Then, pointing to a faraway hill, the deer says, it seems means it looks as if it goes behind that hill and sleeps there. Now let's read ahead. No, it does not go there. I have been means I have gone to that hill. The monkey replies. Then where does it go? Asks the bear in a sleepy voice. Now, why do you think the bear asked in a sleepy voice? Was he sleeping? No. Isn't it, children? Yes. Sleepy voice means slow and heavy. Means the bear spoke in slow and heavy voice. Okay, now next. Before anyone can answer, they hear the deafening roar of the leopard. Now here there is a new word, deafening. Let's check the meaning. Deafening means very loud. Okay, now what do you all think they all must have done after hearing the leopard's roar? Come on, guess. Yes, very good. They all started running here and there. Why? To hide from leopard and save their life. Isn't it, children? Yes. So now let's check where did they go. The monkey runs up a tree. The deer takes leaps and bounds and runs away. Now here there is a new word, bounds. Let's check the meaning. Bounds means leaping movements. Means the way the deer jumps. Okay, now let's read ahead. The bear hides behind the bushes. All animals flee the scene. Now here there is a new word, flee. Let's check the meaning. Flee means run away. Means all the animals ran away as soon as they heard the leopard's roar. Okay everyone, now let's check what did the birds do. Even the birds stop chirping. There is silence. Now what happened next? Let's check. The mongoose and the leopard stand in front of each other. The mongoose does not budge. Now here there is a new word, budge. Let's check the meaning. Budge means to move. So that means the mongoose did not run away on seeing the leopard. Isn't it, children? Okay, everyone. Now let's read ahead. He stands firmly. Firmly means strongly without being afraid of leopard, and remembers the story of how a rabbit drowned means to kill a lion in the well. Now, do you all remember this story of lion and rabbit? Okay, let me tell you. The lion used to kill the animals every day to fulfill his hunger. Every day it was turn of one of the animals, and in the end came the rabbit's turn. The rabbit was wise and old. He showed the lion his reflection in the water of the well, saying, "There is another lion challenging the supremacy of his lordship." The lion was furious, means angry, and started growling, and naturally its image in the water, the other lion, was also equally angry. Then the lion jumped into the water at the other lion to attack it, and so lost its life in the well. In this way, the wise rabbit saved all the animals in the forest from the proud lion. I hope you all have understood the lesson well till here. So now let's read ahead and understand the story well. He knows that one should stare, means look at danger in its face and never be afraid of it. Means we should not be afraid of danger. We should strongly face it. Isn't it, children? Yes. That is how one can triumph over fear. Yes, very true. Now here there is a new word, triumph. Let's check the meaning. Triumph means win. The leopard is surprised to see such a tiny animal standing bravely in front of him. He does not look afraid to run away. Yes, really surprising for leopard, isn't it, children? Why didn't you run away when you heard my roar? Asks the leopard. Now let's see what mongoose replied. Why should I be afraid of you? The mongoose replies. Now let's see what happened next. Angry, the leopard asks, don't you know that I am the king of the forest? All animals hide in fear wherever I go. Oh, the animals hide on seeing you. There is nothing new about it. The same thing happens with me, says the mongoose, laughing. The leopard appears surprised. He asks disbelievingly. Why he asked disbelievingly? Because he did not believe what mongoose said. Isn't it? Okay. Now let's read what leopard asked. What did you say? Are all animals afraid of you and run away when they see you? Yes, animals hide on seeing me. The mongoose replies confidently. Now here there is a new word, confidently. Let's check the meaning. Confidently means without any fear or confusion. Can you prove this? Leopard asked in a soft voice. Yes, why not? Come with me and see for yourself. But if I prove it, you will have to leave the forest, says the mongoose. The leopard agrees. The leopard is sure that no one is afraid of the mongoose. Now let's read ahead. The next morning, as soon as the sun rises from behind the hill. Okay, now let's see what happened next morning. The leopard arrives at the mongoose hole. So leopard was ready. Come along with me. Show me what you said yesterday. Follow me, says the mongoose. Now the mongoose walks ahead while the leopard follows behind him. Both of them walk through the forest. As usual, the leopard roars aloud as he walks. Wherever they pass, animals run away. It is the result of the leopard's roar. The mongoose says, do you see? Wherever I go, animals run away in fright. Fright means fear. Wonderful. Mongoose was really smart and intelligent. He walked ahead because he knew that as usual the leopard will roar aloud and all the animals will run away. The leopard silently bows his head, means says yes, and leaves the forest. The mongoose runs away happily to tell the other animals. He was really happy. Lovely. So mongoose did it, isn't it, children? Yes. And leopard left the forest. Wow, wonderful. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have understood the story Well, so we end our today's session over here. But before we end, I have a task for you all. Please complete the given task. Your task is, which of these are you afraid of? Tick the box. I hope you all will enjoy doing this. Okay everyone, meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye everyone.